Always use a dedicated wall outlet. Using a multi-outlet power strip may cause the circuit breaker to trip. Check the refrigerant level and low pressure standard. The refrigerant amount varies depending on the water pressure at the installation site. Higher water pressure requires more refrigerant, while lower pressure requires less. In some cases, the tubing may be connected incorrectly. Although cooling may still function, water may continuously drain even when the machine is not operating. If the tubing is not fully inserted, there is a risk of water leakage after 2 to 3 days. Make sure the tubing is firmly and completely connected. Be careful of pressure when installing the tubing. When drilling holes for tubing installation, ensure the tubing is not pressed, scratched, bent, or kinked, as this may affect cooling performance. When installing the tubing into a drain, secure it firmly with a cable tie. If not secured, vibration during operation may cause the tubing to come loose. Do not use waterproof tape, Teflon tape, when installing the adapter. It may interfere with proper sealing and cause water leakage. After completing the water supply installation, carefully check all tubing and adapter connections for leaks. Use the 4 silicone feet at the bottom of the machine and a level gauge to adjust the balance. Improper leveling may cause overflow in the tray or uneven distribution of liquid in the drum. Do not disassemble the blade by yourself. If the gap between the blade and the drum is not set correctly, the drum may be damaged or, in severe cases, rupture.